Yeah, boy, girls in there. Yo, bomb McCloud, call the big rat that's Lord Cloud, boy. What kind of rat move from your boy? Dirty rat. Try to do the girls in intro the rat and disturb me. Move, Ratatouille, move, boy. Nasty rat. Alright, Gersten back. The nasty rat interrupt me intro, but as me did I say a Gersten style again, boy. Look there. Blood clot. Boy, look like one big blood clot Power Ranger now. Boy, a Spider-Man combined with Power Ranger. My name the Spider Gersten. My name is Spider Ranger now. Call me that, boy. Think say me I play with you? One. Think say me I play with you? Look on the suit there. Look on the Black Panther effect suit. You can't beat me, boy. Blood fleet. Alright, last episode we did fight one airbender. We never know say one airbender in the game, but we fight him, we whoop him. So next episode me I go whoop somebody else. Spider Ranger
so
there.
This gang war between the demons and Fisk is
You want girl.
I know. Even Shocker's a part of it. Wonder where this vault they keep talking about is.
Yeah, boy, go check it out, boy. Come here, boy. Idiot, so.
Getting over to his last position now. Johnny, that's down.
Come here, boy. What please, boy?
Hey, there he is! What the hell is this crap? You won't do that anyway.
Boy, I'm bulletproof now, boy. You can't beat me up. Oh yeah, the boy. Idiot. Picking them. Sit down.
Have some of this.
Why? Too rude, why? Too rude. Sit on. Blood fleet. Blood fleet self, why? Yeah, shot bullet pan, why? I can't shot bullet pan Spider Ranger. Get rude self. Stop being rude, why? Too rude. Sit on. Me take care of everything already, officer. You're late. Find the boy late, so. Give me your paycheck, boy. Find Denzel Washington.
You know
What
we
you do
can't
here,
have
boy?
vigilantes trespassing or doing illegal searches,
Boy, me I save the world.
I know.
which is why I brought a warrant.
Phil, what? You
Why do you
arrest
say we
me?
do some perfectly legal searching?
I like the
Oh,
sound of that.
okay, me say.
What's
You
your
have more
name?
from your arrest, you lie. Upon the blood
Officer
clot
Davis.
suit, boy. So you
Call me Jeff.
clean.
And you are?
Spider
Just messing
Gersten.
with you. My son's a big fan.
So,
Your son's
warrant
smart.
cover breaking down doors?
Not without a lot of extra paperwork.
Okay. I'll find another way in.
Why useless? Look there.
Any
They
place
said
this
one
rundown should
policeman
have
to help
a
me.
hole in the wall or a broken window.
One
Check her out
policeman
back.
to help me.
I'd go myself, but you know, not Spider-Man.
You go yourself, but you're lazy. You can't walk. What kind of police officer lazy? Lazy them people, why? No NYPD. It might as well be Spider Gersten PD, why?
I feel like I'm in a horror movie.
Watch the
Hello?
place haunted.
Fisherman
Kind
with a
of
grudge and a hook for a hand?
look upon the
Okay,
essence
where's
of the
that
place.
locked door?
Place like haunted like what? Blood clot, boy. Now go down there. Up there. There was one shipwreck, haunted shipwreck. Think say Spider Gersten the skater duppy.
Jeff, you there? I'm doing my best to refrain from knock-knock jokes.
Appreciate it.
Jeff
See a
there.
junction box powering the door?
Useless police officer.
Yeah, got it.
If we can overload it, that should force the door open.
Smart, but I don't have anything that packs enough current.
Try this.
Want to send me a peek? You think send me a
Stun
electric
gun,
man?
genius! Capacitors in this are just what I need for an upgrade I've been thinking of.
Watch there. Spider-Man use gun now. Blood clot, boy. But don't play around. Spider-Girls have the electric web now, boy. Watch there. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch the electric. Blood bleeds.
Electric web for the win.
The gadget man, huh? You remind me of my son. Started taking
Your
apart
son
the
not
TV
Spider-Girl,
when he was 5. Now he's unlocking his friends' phones.
Sounds like he could teach me a few things.
Okay. Nothing illegal in plain sight?
Kinda anticlimactic, huh?
Kinda dopey essence in the ear, boy.
Let's look closer.
Looking for something specific?
This yard's been here a long time. Bootleggers used to use it back in the day.
Gotcha. Those guys love their hidden rooms.
Watch there.
Check it out.
On the nasty
Sound hollow
water.
to you?
Everything hollow to Spider-Man,
Got a hidden
boy.
panel, like the one on the door. The conduits lead out the back. Look for another junction box.
Why you can't
Let's
look,
see
you're
if my
blind?
mask lenses can pick
I mean,
up
if
the
you look for
conduits.
everything, why? And now do your job. Spider-Girl's not to do everything. The lazy like what? You not seeing him? Yeah, electric man no. Why not see him not do nothing? He must pretend. So you can't get him paycheck. Why lie like what? Watch this. See me at work, me I
I
do.
could have unlocked this myself.
Hey, I doubt I would have found it without you.
And now unlock nothing, boy. Lazy self.
You got a big fat nothing.
Well, there's one secret room. There could be more. Notice anything about the floor?
Watch it, yeah, detective
hide the
no.
doors.
Think say
Not the scrapes
Inspector
they-
Gadget.
Keep an eye
Think
out
say
for more
Sherlock
doors.
Holmes. Lazy boy. Love for pretend, you see. Search for more screws.
Pay dirt. Scrape, no door. None I can see anyway.
Great. Be right there. Maybe not. Elevator's busted.
Sit tight, I'll pull you up.
Watch the boy can't even come up here yet. It's a lazy boy. Spider-Girl have to do everything. Watch this. Pull the boy up. I gotta charge the boy for pulling him up. Watch it, come on the wall, boy.
I could use a little help with the elevator.
We are come,
Right,
boy.
I'm
Be
on it.
patient. Freaking out, you lazy like why you're rude. Happy
Second
boy.
floor, rusted machine parts, big honkin' rats. Careful, the bridge is out.
I got this one.
Watch it, y'all go show your parkour skills. You can't jump, boy.
Nice, stuck the landing and everything.
Why can't say him Michael Jordan?
Fair enough.
Another secret door. I'll rig the lock. Let me know if you find the junction box.
Yep, on
And
it.
I'll do nothing again. I'm have to do all the work again. Put the box there, boy. Okay, on the box far. Put the box there.
Found one. Nailed it.
Hell yeah, you did.
You find anything, lazy boy? What you find, boy?
Hey, check this out.
Nothing. I'm starting to feel like this is Fisk's way of messing with me.
But look at the walls. They kept guns here. They wouldn't have moved them to the front door. Gotta be a passageway we're missing. Check out the wall. This might control access to another area.
Fisk's men were talking about a vault. Maybe we're close.
Bet on it. Looks like a dual circuit. See if you can find a second junction box.
Again, we have to find another junction. Look, the boy lazy like, oh boy. I'm tell you, say me want the paycheck, cause they not do nothing. Make me paycheck, right? NYPD Gerson pan it, cause they not do nothing,
If
boy.
I were a junction box, where would I be?
Follow the conduits. They should lead you in the right direction.
Don't tell me what to do,
Found it.
boy. Follow the conduits. Follow it. Watch there.
Clear.
Oh, what up? Blood
You were
clot.
right, Jeff. Trap
Open
door.
sesame.
Outstanding.
On
Think
the
you can help
hidden
me out?
passage there.
This thing's heavy.
You can't do nothing by yourself, boy. That blood clot lazy police officer this wee boy. Can't do nothing.
1,
What you come here for?
3.
For chat?
Well, that isn't spooky at all.
Probably an old bootlegger's tunnel.
And it looks like no one's cleaned it since Al Capone.
Big chunk of concrete in the way. I can't get through.
Let me see how it looks
Spider-Gerson
from the
can't
top.
get through anything, boy. Show you now run what?
Got room to maneuver here. Hang on.
I'm blocked. Anything you can do?
Yeah,
What
that's
was that?
why. Blood
Subway,
clots.
maybe. Let's hustle. Place is unstable.
Why you both die?
Okay, that definitely wasn't a subway.
No. Sounded like explosives.
And that sounds like demons.
The vault! Hurry!
Watch this.
Go! Go!
Blood clot, why? Spider-Girl's almost dead. Look there. Y'all run to boy. Y'all go fight them. What the-
Demons are already
what is-
gone. How'd they beat us here?
Must be a back door. See if you can find it.
There. They blew the locks to get in.
Blood clot, Duppy them still here.
Demons.
Duppies. What a team Duppy there.
Stay here.
Hell no. It'll take both of us to stop them.
What y'all gonna do, boy? Think say y'all superheroes?
They're moving. Let's go. Get him!
There y'all go, boy. And now leave Spider-Girl. Watch out, the Duppy are trying to kill us.
Find cover.
Good luck, boy. You're not kill nobody. You think say y'all kill, boy? You're not kill nobody.
That's what I'm talking
You're
about.
not kill nobody, boy. We are think say y'all kill your rude people. You're too rude, boy. Sit down. Too
Now you're
rude.
just showing
Not
off.
kill, boy. Not kill nobody, boy. Sit down. You're rude self. You're too
I'm a
rude.
little
You're
impressed.
boy. Wait. It's bulletproof, boy. You can't stop the boy.
I got your back!
Rude self.
Thanks. I needed that.
We don't need no backup, boy. My life will make you feel better. Yeah, the boy. Think say ya fight,
Your timing is
fight a
impeccable.
person. Sit down. I said, boy, call for backup. You think say backup I go help you?
I've
You
got
think say
friends
that
too.
backup I go help you? Think say that backup I go help you, boy? Nasty duffy them. I tell you, say go church and not listen. You not go church. Move, boy. Cool. That is
How we
sad.
I
doing?
think we're winning!
Of course we have Spider-Girl from never lose, boy.
Clear! I'll stun him!
Come here, boy. Two. Sit down. Evil Duppy them. You not escape Duppy. Blood clot. Yes, boy. Y'all do something now. Denzel Washington are strong police officer. Where y'all go? So see y'all escape?
If I lose 2 trucks full of gunmen in one day, it's time to hang up the webs.
Come here, boy.
Spider-Man!
What you want, boy?
Shot was at the yard. I'm held up. How you looking?
Not much better. These guys are all over
Better
the road.
handle them,
They'll
boy.
kill someone if I
They're
can't
busy.
Doing my best to catch up, but you might be on your own.
Me always upon my own,
Do
boy.
anything crazy.
Think say I help Denzel Washington say the only time he help like last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds the boy I help. That's it.
Cripple gets
Come here,
shot.
boy.
I gotta get in close.
Rude self.
Hey guys, room for one more?
Yeah, the boy.
Here's your stuff.
Come here. Sit down, boy. You too, boy. You can't stop Spider-Gerson. But the driver there. Yup. Blood clot rude self. Yes, boy. Look at me, boy. Fresh. Blood clot. Like you let me on the pole, me I go kill you. Bomba clot. Watch there. Come here, boy. No feet.
Great, now the 3 decides to run on time.
You're not gonna look at boy, you're lucky Spider-Girls in there. You're lucky. Might pull up one more blood clot truck on the strength. What the fuck? It's about evil. Yes, boy. Denzel wanted to come to the rescue. I tell you. Denzel, yeah, help out now. Bombard! Why lick him down? The only police officer I help Spider-Gerson. Give this boy a medal. Blood plead, why I do him job for once? Me take back everything me say.
We've now identified the officer as Jefferson Davis.
Actually, look on Ali
We're
Berry.
being told he has minor injuries and is expected
This gal
to
again.
make
Why
a
y'all follow
full
me for
recovery.
boy?
Excuse me, miss. Are you supposed to be here?
More than
Nosy
you.
picnic.
After that auction house thing, the Bugle put me on the city beat, which means I get to focus full time on real stories like this. And the demons.
You know the closer
The
you
dopey
get to them,
them.
the more you become a target, right?
The closer I get, the better chance we have to stop them.
Me, I stop them gal, yeah, do. You have powers?
We?
Exactly. You get we
Officer
from.
Davis, Mary Jane Watson, Daily
That
Bugle.
spider gal?
No comment.
Yeah, tell
I
her
don't
to go
blame
away.
you. But these guys are gonna tell their story with or without you, and they thrive on controversy.
So what's your end?
I don't have one. I just listen.
She a lie, she no listen. Me tell her to stop follow me.
Okay.
She not stop
Up
following
in.
Spider-Gerson.
She's good.
Nosy picnic. Yeah, boy. Y'all play the new little Uzi. Spider-Gerson finally home, boy. Watch ya. Well, go on. At the wrong house, this? Move the blood clot door. Watch that.
Come on.
The boy throw away all my stuff there. Landlord, what a landlord? Super, where you there? You go beat the blood clot super. The boy take my stuff gone.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Yeah, hi. I'm trying to track down some items
Boy,
that were accidentally
trash
picked up
me
from a
sitting
dumpster
there.
outside my apartment.
Dumpster number?
The
Hang
boy
on.
throw me things in the rubbish. Blood clot, boy. What is when me see the
64476.
super, me tell you.
That's room 33. Truck's already left its shift. If your stuff's not there, you're out of luck.
Wait, please. This is important. Can you at least tell me where the truck is?
I go
check.
beat the super, and then I go beat the dumpster
Looks
man.
like it should be at the municipal garage at Bowery and Grand.
Got it. Thanks, Eddie. Municipal garage. Bowery
Blood clot
and Grand.
super, take
Not
my
a
stuff,
problem.
boy.
I don't care
go
if I lose
find one
everything
dump-
else, but I have to find my Spidey drive.
Where my stuff there, boy?
Of course it's locked. Can't have people stealing garbage. Maybe there's another way in. It's not really breaking and entering if I don't break anything, right? Okay,
Hey,
no
boy,
need to panic.
Spider-Gerson not commit
Maybe they
crime.
haven't dumped the trash yet. Nada.
I'm sitting there.
Okay, time to panic.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Sorry, is there any chance the truck wasn't at the garage?
Sure, I guess. Just means it'd be somewhere in West Chinatown.
Great, I'm headed there now.
Where the garbage truck there? Where the rubbish truck? See it there? My stuff in here? Stuff in here, boy?
No sign of my stuff. What an interesting smell.
People.
Eddie, you're my only hope.
Not there either, huh?
You sure they were around here?
Well, the guys might have switched routes due to the upcoming Osborne rally. If your pickup was on Route 35, they'd be dropping off at the incinerator right now.
One party out one.
Over by Manhattan Bridge. Better hustle.
Spider-Gerson dropping one party. What my invitation there, boy? So you're rude? No invitation for Spider Gerson? Party whack anyway, boy.
There's the incinerator. Hope I'm not too late.
Why I got bun myself?
Looks like
Bun myself
trouble.
the boy. Stop. Watch ya. Blood clot. Look at me show up, boy. Oh, get blood thing, boy. Rude cell. Yeah, rude cell, boy. Sit on another trash, boy. Watch it. Sit on another trash, boy. Watch that. Somebody getting glitched, though. Rude cell.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
What me stuff the boy?
You okay?
Yeah, thanks. This gang's been terrorizing the whole neighborhood the last couple of days. There's
I'm
probably
not
more
asking
of them on
about
the
that. What
way.
me stuff the
I'll
boy?
keep an eye out. Hey, mind if I look around for some personal items?
Sure, have at it. I gotta go file an incident report.
Your incident report for you find why you can't walk? You have two leg? Your two leg fine there. You lazy yourself. Why?
There's something there. Gotta move these bags out of the way.
Blood
That's
thing,
it.
bad. Ooh. You miss it in them. Rude soup. I got throw away my stuff them.
Please be here. Please be here. Yes. Hope it still works. Phew, looks like everything's here. Hey, look. An old gadget prototype. Looks kind of awesome. Why didn't I ever finish it?
Cause me lazy.
I think I can make this work.
Look, is that guy? Spider.
You think say me, you see the boy there? They say me think say me Spider-Man. Me beat down your ugly friend them. Give me the spider. Where the spider bomb there? Think say me I play with them. Watching say me I play. Come here, boy. Your blood clot. What you think say me Spider-Man? Sit down. Oh yeah, sit down. Sit down. Me think say me Spider-Man. Let me show you. Let me show how much you. Think say me Spider-Man. Let me show you how much me think say me Spider-Man for the. Let's think so. Rude people then. Ooh boy. Move your blood clot. Move your blood clot, boy. Move. Sit on. Sit on, boy. Rude self. You you still alive, boy? Wanna think say me
well,
Spider-Man?
this night isn't quite going as planned. Where am I gonna sleep?
Wanna
Guess I could try
still
MJ's.
think I'm a Spider-Man? You think I'm a Spider-Man? You think I'm a Spider-Man? Alright then, idiot boy.
I thought we were gonna meet up for dinner tonight.
Let me tell you about your dried chicken,
right.
gal. You still
I'm
trying to get me
sorry,
to eat
I
that?
forgot. It's been a hard day. We lost funding at the lab.
Oh,
You
Peter.
gotta still try to get me to
Sorry.
eat her unseasoned
I
chicken.
also kind of got
On the
evicted
first
from my
episode, I'ma
apartment.
tell you, gal.
What? Do you have a place to stay tonight?
Actually,
Cost me, though.
no, not really. I hate to ask, but any chance you have room at the shelter?
Watch them, I go stay there and
Feel
eat,
free to use the couch in my office.
eat
Thanks,
unseasoned
man.
chicken with the other people there at the shelter. Lord, why? Kind of aunt there. We can't stay at her house. What kind of aunt telling nephew to go on the shelter?
Civilians are trapped
Ooh,
following
like
car
what?
accident.
Can't believe I haven't slept since the Fisk takedown. Gotta start taking better care of myself.
Spider Gerson on knee sleep, boy. I tell you, it's a Spider Gerson everywhere.
Hope May's couch is comfortable.
What the coach there? What's there? Watch the Spider Gerson asleep. Watch this. Somebody leave me some presents. How about that? Yes, yeah, you owe me money for because me eat your unseasoned
I
chicken.
can't take this.
Me I go take all of
You
it.
can and you will.
You're right, gal.
I'll pay you back.
Me not pay you
Soon.
nothing.
Just ask for help next time. Oh, you are so much like Ben.
Yeah, cause him put seasoning upon him
You have to learn
chicken.
to swallow that Parker pride and accept that you're human. Like
You have
the
to swallow
rest of
anything
us.
but your unseasoned chicken, gal.
Martin,
Sorry to interrupt.
What you want, boy?
Just wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town. You're in charge while I'm
Where
gone.
you go?
Well, you can count on me. How long will you be away?
Really don't know.
Is everything okay?
It's some personal business I've been planning for a
Personal.
while.
Why I lie like what?
But
Why
please
evil?
take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Duppy boy. Boy, probably I'll leave the duppy them.
Well, I guess I better get busy.